boys, how are you? We are back on another video. I hope you boys are doing well. I like to keep my videos short, straight to the point, no edits, just literally share with you guys how I am making money in Dubai, how I'm traveling, how everything's going. So if you want to know more about me and my businesses, check the previous video. I just don't like to repeat myself. It's just the videos just get boring, it gets repetitive. But anyway, boys, I am back in Paris, staying here until Eid, spending time with my family. It's the last 10 days actually of Ramzan. So anyone who's fasting, I hope everything is going well with you boys. All right, so a few people asked me in Paris what I'm up to in Dubai, how I'm like making money and everything, because they all know about my businesses in Paris, real estate, beauty salons, and like some other investment. But you guys need to understand that nowadays, and I'm being completely honest, you can make like 20k a month, 30k a month, even 6 figures a month. And the way how you can do that is by having some kind of high skills that you can monetize. All right, I'll give you an example. I've got 9 years of experience in entrepreneurship, which involves setting up businesses, networking, having the right mindset, what you need, the type of investment. And I didn't know that was even a skill, bro. You know, I was just like, this is what I'm supposed to do, you know, for my businesses. But nowadays, there are people who are willing to spend a huge amount of money. I could even say like 5k, 2k, like they can pay a good amount of money, because I'm not going to say any type of prices, because then you guys are just going to think this is the price what you need to charge. The money that I asked for my clients, it's honestly for them not to make the same mistakes that I've done. And that's literally when I was in Paris and people were asking me about, hey, you know, I want to start this business. What do you think? I want to start a, you know, a similar beauty salon as well. And I used to think, man, why would I give all the information? People are just going to compete with me. That's not true, because everyone's got their own mindset. Everyone is very different. The only difference between you and everyone else is that the way how you're going to work, the way how you are going to, you know, but boys, I had to make a stop. But anyway, I used to think that if I give all the information to all the people, they're going to start competing with me. But to be honest, not everyone has the same work ethic, not everyone has the same mindset, and not everyone's got the same information, right? No matter how much you're going to tell people how you succeed in your life, they're still not going to have the same ingredients to do everything, because the way how I work, I will put 100%. And not everyone's got the same work ethic. And trust me, like, I know how crazy I am, man, to start my businesses and to do everything. Now, you need to understand that whatever skills you have, if it's beneficial to someone, if you can monetize that. Like I told you, I didn't even know myself that I had some skills. I've started this business because people start asking me. And once like someone paid me and I was like, all right, like this is not my main business, but all right, I will accept it. And in some ways it made me feel like I can actually, because I'm using my own time and I can help people better. I've been doing this for the past year and a half now. I started this during lockdown, but it actually started going, you know, becoming more beneficial since 2 years ago. Now, how you boys can start monetizing your skills. I've got around 31 guys on my, you know, like I'm coaching them about the same business model and how you, so you can just copy and paste everything that I'm going to say, and hopefully that will help you. A lot of the guys who I'm coaching at the moment, they are in the fitness field. They are helping everyone else learn a different language. I've got a client based in Greece, and he knows everything about Greece, the restaurants, the places to go, the different island and everything. So he's charging, I think, around 2,000 euros or something like that, 1,500. I'm not too sure exactly, but he's making good amount of money. He's charging this per client, and he's literally booking everything for them. So let's just suppose that you are in your own city, like you're in Paris, and you know everything about London, Paris, Dubai, and you start networking with people, and you tell them, listen, if you've got any tourists coming to the city, I have some contacts, and I can, get them through like the best restaurants. I can organize some like the best dinner dates and whatever, anything to do with tour. And you can truly monetize that without even that's not even a skill, bro. You just got to know your own city. Like, imagine that person is only living in Greece, and monetizing is supposedly like skills that he has because he's living there and he knows everything about the city. Now, why those people will go through me, right? First, you need to understand that no matter how much skills you have or information you have, you still need to understand that you guys probably will be thinking, why would someone who's got already skills, why would they come to me, right? And I will tell you, a lot of people don't even know that they have skills. First, a lot of people, they don't even know how they will monetize their skills. A lot of people, when they come to me, right, they will first tell me about themselves, what they like, what kind of skills they have. Now, let me tell you, for example, you could be good at sports, but you might not know so much about like football or, gym, working out, to really start monetizing that and help someone else. Sometimes it just takes a person to see it as a business point of view and see all the potential that you have. And after that, you can be like, oh shit, man, like, you know what, this guy is creating a personal brand for me. And that's literally what I've been doing. So, long story short, boys, what you guys need to do is, if you really want, you can just get in touch with me. I've got the website just on the link below. Get in touch with me, and you can just discuss about, what kind of personality you have, what kind of skills you have, if it's truly valuable in this market or not, or you could perhaps like find something else. And also be part of a community. We have like around 42 guys. We just talk about every weekly. We just get together and we talk about different business, how we are learning from each other, and so much more. And hopefully you guys can relate and learn from us as well. Easily, bro. Like, if you sell your expertise for 2,000 euros per client, you find 12 of them, you already got like 20k, bro. But you need to understand that your offer has to be accessible to people, and you need to find a good market. You know what I mean? Like, and you need to know your work. Like, for me, everyone who comes to me, I make sure that I provide all the help, all the resources. Otherwise, no point to actually make someone pay. You have some kind of responsibility when you take on that client and he pays, that okay, you are ready to make sure that he is going to get all the help. So boys, what you guys need to do is first learn a high skill. If you don't have one, or you don't know if you can monetize that, then just get in touch with me and maybe we can discuss about this. And truly, man, I'm being very serious. You check all these social media guys, you know, I'm not even that big, bro, but all these guys on social media, all they're doing, bro, is just selling you courses, selling you some kind of dream or something. I'm not selling you shit, bro. I'm just telling you that this is something that you can do. All right, look after yourself, guys, and see you on the next one. Let's go.